What's up everybody, Kamal Nehme here and you're watching 90 Seconds To. Nope, I don't have time for that. I only have 90 seconds. So, this is 90 seconds for you to start growing on Instagram. Number one, you're gonna have to find your topic. What do you wanna talk about? What's your passion? What is something that you can talk about for hours and hours and hours and never get bored? Number two, set up content pillars. Content pillars are general ideas that will dictate every piece of content that you create. If you're just starting and you're experimenting, you can choose multiple content pillars and see which one works for you or which one you enjoy doing most. What you can do as well is choose one macro big content pillar. That could be a full podcast, that could be a vlog, a blog, and then you can create micro content out of that. Micro content are small snippets, quotes, and images, blog posts, LinkedIn posts, tweets that are all derived from the first main content pillar, which are then distributed to however many platforms that you want. Number three, start posting, start creating. That's it. Stop strategizing, stop overthinking, and actually start creating. Start creating the posts, start uploading consistently, and start working off the data that comes to you. Don't overthink each idea, don't overthink if it's gonna perform or not, or if it's actually quality or not. You don't get to decide that, the audience does. Start posting and start experimenting. Number four, start engaging and start reaching out to people. Go to the top influencer of that niche, go to the hashtag section and engage with everybody that is connected to that community. Go like their posts, leave a comment, DM them, and be genuine, don't spam. Number five, don't forget stories and lives. These are very important. Number six, don't get discouraged, don't stop posting. It's gonna take a while for you to just start creating that first traction, but don't give up, keep on posting and eventually you will grow. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. If you wanna see more 90 Seconds To, drop a like, drop a comment and let me know what I can tackle next. Don't forget to subscribe and I guess I'll see you again.